Alright guys, so this is the iCove. I stayed here last year in a room that was kind of like a basement level. It was a really nice room, it just had no windows, it was underground, which was kind of weird. But anyway, this is nice bathroom, nice sink, kind of standard. It's kind of dark in here. And I tried to turn on all the lights. You know what I might do, actually, is, that's a good idea. I'm going to open up the blinds so we can get some light in here. Because it's, with the artificial light, it's dark. I don't know if that'll give much light to the bathroom, but it definitely helps in here. So we'll try this bathroom one more time. I don't know if that light even helps, but like I said, it's a nice, nice sink, nice mirror, modern toilet. Most of these places do, because there's so many tourists, I think. Nice rainforest shower head, and like I apologize, it is really dark in here. I'm hoping that this camera picks up more. So we'll walk back out here. Typical controls for aircon, all that. Nice aircon up there on the ceiling, or there. Nice cabinet. I've got some clothes hung up in here, but plenty of space. Typical, we've got the safe, which is nice. I mean, anybody can get into these, but it gives you a little sense of security. Little shelf here with a lamp. Nice bed. Nice kind of mural on the wall there. And the nice lighting feature. But nice sized bed, not as big as the one that I stayed in at the Park Central Reef, but it's still a really nice room. And it seems like they all do these like ceiling features, which just like accent kind of makes it nice. Nice flat screen, little shelf, cable TV. Nice desk to work. The internet's not bad. Nice mirror, little chair. Little fridge. This one wasn't stocked, and I need to make sure that they know that it wasn't stocked, so I don't get charged for everything that was supposed to be in it. Then again, a little chair, a little table. I've got a t-shirt laying over it, drying off. It's hot here, but beats being in Kansas City in the cold. So we'll peek outside. Let's see, open this. It's got a nice little deck. There's no furniture or anything out here. I don't know that. I guess they won't sit out here anyway. Okay, let's do this way. Take that back. Slide this one. Maybe that slides better. But yeah, nice deck. Courtyard, and then the beach is right there. So a decent view. It's a little cloudy today, but it hasn't rained yet. So, but yeah. So we'll go back in here. Shut that. Lock this one. Lock this one. Pull that shut. Alright, we'll just do another quick walkthrough. But yeah, it's very nice again. Once again, all these rooms over here are nice, and this was like $50 US. I mean, you can't stay them. You know, it'd easily be over $100. But I apologize, the lights in here. I don't know if that lit it up a little bit more. That did. That gave some light in the shower. So you can see the rain shower head again. said, it's kind of dark, but it gives you an idea. Thanks.